How to restore deleted files in Dropbox. So to start, we'll just have to open our account. To do that, simply open browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this All Files option, and then in here it will show us all the files or folders that we have on our account. So as an example, I'm going to delete this folder. To do that, tap on the folder and then tap on this delete option. And then in here, we'll have to tap again on this delete option. And as you can see, that file or folder is automatically deleted. So to restore that folder, all we need to do is to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this deleted files option. After that, in here, it will show us all the folders or files that we have deleted. So to restore a file, all we need to do is to select the folder or file that we want to restore. And then after that, go on this restore option. And then in here, tap on this restore all files option. After that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, we'll have to tap again on this all files option. And then as you can see here, that folder is automatically restored here. So that's how easy we can restore deleted files in Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.